Hello again. Now let's try and install and set up Android Studio. So we'll start by searching Android Studio online. Okay, we'll visit the official website. Okay, we can scroll a little bit down. Now we'll like to explore our options. Okay, we have the 64-bit for Windows, we have the Mac OS, the Linux, the Chrome OS. Now we're gonna stick with Android Studio for Windows 64-bit. So we'll download that. We want to accept the terms and then download Android Studio for Windows. Okay, we'll go ahead and click the setup. Click next, and we want to install Android Studio and also the Android virtual device, the emulator that would be running, that will be testing our applications inside of. The folder is fine. Click next. Install. Okay, now that it's completed, let's click next. Uh, we don't want to start it, we'll just click finish. And then we'll come back here and start it here. We don't want to import any config because we don't have any older version or older installation of Android Studio. So we'll click OK. Not really. Okay, we'll click next. We want the standard. Let's just stick with the dark kind of thing. And then this is the main reason why I wanted us to install Android Studio together, because Android Studio is one of those kind of softwares, if you will, that it doesn't just have a setup. For example, here the setup is 900 megabytes, kind of like almost. Uh, but after you download it, after installing the setup, It also requires additional, for example, for Google APIs 1 point something gig, uh, the sources of Android 30, the I don't know, Android emulator and all that kind of stuff. So it also requires to download, and it also require that you download additional 1.75 gigabyte. This kind of requirement may changes, it may grow higher or lower, it depends on the version. Currently, we are installing Android Studio version 4.1.3. Now, there's a good chance the time you may be watching this video, it may change, maybe version 4.2 or something of that sort, but that's also fine. Um, if you don't, you're not comfortable with that, you can always kind of like go to Google's archive and get the specific version that we are using right now. So we'll click finish, and then it will start the downloading. So we'll wait for it. Okay, uh, the components have finished downloading, so we'll click finish, and then we'll go ahead and start. Okay, we don't even have to start it, it's already running. You can see here uh, we are currently, let me just minimize this. This is Android Studio version 4.1.3. As I've told you before, uh, this is the latest version at the time of recording this video. There's a good chance the time you might be watching this video, there might be a newer version, maybe version 5 or version 4.4 or something of that sort. So that is it for now. Thank you.